Introducing Cocotb, Python-based RTL verification. Enhance your verification skills with our comprehensive course on the Cocotb framework, a powerful tool for digital design verification using Python. To celebrate, we're offering an exclusive coupon code just for our YouTube viewers. Use the code YouTube824 at checkout and get a special discount. Hurry, this offer is valid until August 31st, 2024, or for the first 20 students only. Visit courses.verificationexpert.com to enroll now and take your verification skills to the next level. Don't miss out on this opportunity to learn from the experts at Verification Expert. Here is a sample module for you from the course.
Welcome to Week 2, Module 2 of our course on the Cocotb framework. In this module, we'll delve into the essential components of Cocotb. Let's get started. The Cocotb framework is built upon several critical components. These components work together to enable a seamless verification process. Today, we'll cover VPI, VHPI, FLI, GPI, GPI embed, the simulator module, scheduler, coroutines, triggers, and the regression manager. First, we have VPI, VHPI, and FLI. These stand for Verilog Procedural Interface, VHDL Procedural Interface, and Foreign Language Interface, respectively. These interfaces enable interaction between Cocotb and HDL simulators, providing access to signals and states within the simulator. Essentially, they act as bridges between programming languages like C, C++, and Python, and hardware description languages. Next, we have the GPI, or Generic Programming Interface. This serves as an abstraction layer within Cocotb, providing a uniform interface for different HDL simulators. It abstracts the details of VPI, VHPI, and FLI, and forms the foundation for other components to interact with the simulator. The GPI embed component embeds the Python interpreter within the simulator environment. This enables the co-simulation capabilities of Cocotb, allowing Python to control and interact with the simulator's execution flow. The simulator module provides functions to interface with HDL simulators, communicating with the simulator via GPI. It includes functions for initializing simulations and managing simulation time, ensuring compatibility with various simulation tools. The scheduler manages coroutines and simulation time, orchestrating the execution of coroutines. It handles the timing and synchronization of events, playing a crucial role in managing the flow of the test bench. Coroutines are special functions within Cocotb that can pause and resume execution. They enable concurrent processes within a test bench, facilitating the creation of complex, non-blocking test scenarios. For example, a coroutine can wait for a signal change while other coroutines continue running. Triggers synchronize events within the simulation and define conditions for pausing or resuming coroutines. There are various types of triggers, such as RISNGEDGE, FALLINGEDGE, and timer. These triggers coordinate activities within the test bench. Finally, we have the regression manager. This component manages the execution and management of multiple test cases, automating the running of test suites, collecting results, and generating reports. It ensures consistent and efficient test execution, supports parallel execution, and manages test configurations and results. In summary, the Cocotb framework consists of key components: VPI, VHPI, FLI, GPI, GPI embed, the simulator module, scheduler, coroutines, triggers, and the regression manager. Each component plays a crucial role in enabling flexible and powerful verification. Understanding these components is essential for effectively utilizing Cocotb for digital design verification. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the Cocotb framework and its interaction with RTL simulators. We hope you found this module insightful and inspiring. Don't forget to use the coupon code YouTube824 before August 31st, 2024 to get an exciting discount on our course. Visit courses.verificationexpert.com to enroll now and enhance your verification skills with expert guidance. Please subscribe to our channel Verification Expert for more updates and insights.